Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of Adjective and Adverb. In this advanced lesson, we'll look at word pairs like good and well, hard and hardly, which often confuse learners. These words may look similar but can have very different meanings. Let's learn how to use them correctly. Good is an adjective, it describes people or things. Well is an adverb, it tells us how someone does something. So we say she is a good singer, but she sings well. Never say he did good in the exam, say he did well. Hard means with effort or strength, like he works hard. Hardly means almost not, like he hardly sleeps. So if you say he worked hardly, it means he barely worked, which is not what you meant. Late talks about time, like the train was late. Lately means recently, like I've been busy lately. Don't mix them up. Saying I feel tired late is confusing. Say I feel tired lately. Near talks about closeness, I live near school. Nearly means almost, I nearly missed the bus. So don't say I near missed it, say I nearly missed it. Time to practice. 1. He runs very well. 2. She eats very little hardly. 3. We've been busy lately. 4. They live close to the station near. 5. I almost missed it nearly. Great job, now let's wrap it up. To recap. Use adjectives to describe nouns, like good or late. Use adverbs to describe how something is done, like well or lately. Words like hard and hardly can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get it right. Keep reviewing, and your grammar will keep getting better. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.